Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Klarna not showing on checkout. So if you have created your payment link and when your customers check out, Klarna is not showing up, it's an easy fix because what you need to do, you can just close this. Here on your dashboard, come to the top right, you'll see this gear cog, okay? Click on this gear cog, it will take you to your settings. Just scroll down until you see product settings. And here you'll see payments. I want you to click on payments and you'll see payment methods right here. Okay, click on that. And what I want you to do, I want you to scroll down until you see Klarna. Usually it doesn't appear because Klarna is disabled. That's the default. So just click on this and click on turn on. As you can see right here, and it should show up as enabled. As you can see now it shows up as enabled. And you can also configure, the currencies, customer locations, transaction amounts, things like that. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.